Whether you are a brand new seller or an experienced seller, if you want to succeed on Amazon, you must continuously grow your catalog. And there's no better person to learn from on how to expand your catalog than Vanessa Hung, and she's going to be speaking at the Independent Retailer Conference. Don't miss on February 28th if you want to grow, succeed, and thrive in 2022. Amazon sellers who are drop shipping from Amazon on Walmart, this video is for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, if you're watching this video, then you are following our advice to diversify your revenue. Diversifying your revenue is business 101, economics 101, and I don't know if any of you are, but I'm a huge fan of Cardone and the 10X principles, where you want to have multiple revenue streams. And I don't get anything from Cardone for promoting him. I'm just a big follower, and he inspires me. But anyway, here's the subject of today's video. You're selling on Amazon, you're doing really well, you want to diversify, you start selling on Walmart, and you're doing it by drop shipping from Amazon. So Walmart is starting to do the same thing that Amazon has been getting upset about for years, that when Walmart's consumers receive a product on the doorstep and it has Amazon's smile, Amazon's packaging on it, and that consumer then reaches out to Walmart and like, hey, what's the deal? I bought from Walmart and I received a package from Amazon. You will get suspended. Now, I can't say it's across the board because I only get the phone call, chat, email. You only submit your case on my website when there's a problem. So this might be going on all the time without an issue, but I can tell you this. The number of calls from sellers who are now selling on Walmart who are getting suspended because they're drop shipping on Walmart via Amazon's FBA system is certainly increasing. So if you're in that business, I'm not telling you to get out of it. I like that you've developed alternative revenue streams, but I just want to make sure that you're careful. So what did we do? We drafted a plan of action for the Walmart seller to submit to Walmart. In this particular case, it was handled by Jacques Laveau, one of our insanely brilliant paralegals. And in his plan of action, Jacques made the decision to admit to fulfilling some of the orders, not all of them, some of the orders via Amazon, and the Walmart account was reactivated, reinstated, that by the time I'm shooting this video, this seller is back in business, not just making money on Amazon, but also making money by selling through Walmart.